Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I will teach you how to make a cutscene, intro, etc. for your game. So what we need to do is first I will just teach two tactics. One is whenever the game starts, and the second is whenever you touch to the trigger. So they both are so easy, so let us start. So first let me create a folder and name it movie to just make it more better, and I can just set the color to make it easier for myself. So after doing this, all we need to do is get our video from here. As you can see, this is the video and this is the sound file, so you can just convert, link will be in the description. You can convert your video to the sound file. So we'll just drag and drop these guys inside the Unreal Engine editor. So after that, what we need to do is open, right click here, open media and select media player. After, check this box, and after checking that box, click OK. After doing that, let me say this test video. After this, I failed to write video. Yes, alright. So after that, what we need to do is select the video and save it. So after that, the video will appear here. Right click on this guy and select create material. After that, after creating the material, just double click on the material and get this guy here, click on the RGB and connect the cable to here and save it. Okay, after your save is done, now we can start making the main thing. So what we will do is we'll now create a blueprint class and after a widget to make this guy work. First I will create the widget because it's easy, so let me just name it test for myself. Select this guy and open it. After doing this, there's an image here. If there isn't, it's under the comment, but you can just write image and find it. After, get this image and put it inside here, the canvas panel. After, select it and scale it up. After doing it, what I'm gonna do is I will just anchor it to full screen because it will be full screen for me. So here, what we need to do is select the material for the video. So what was the material? The test video material. And there we go. After an error like this will appear, click change the material domain and it will automatically change it. After, click compile and after save it. So after the save and compiling, you now need to create a blueprint class and select it as actor, and I will just name it as test for with. Alright, after that we can now double click on it and open the viewport. So now we will just add a component and box collision, and let me rename it to trigger. After making it trigger, what we need to do is go down here and on begin the overlap. So after, what we are going to do is create a variable and make it video file. After that, find media player and select this as the variable type. I'm gonna make it instance editable and compile it. After compiling, as you can see, there's a video file. Select the video that you wanna add from the media, and after, drag this guy and click get. After that, move here and open source. You need to get this open source and after plug this in here. So the media source will be a new variable. Just right click there and create a variable and name it media source. And what we need to do here is make the instance editable and compile, save. Why are we making all of them editable? Because we want to be able to edit the trigger from the game without entering here again. So media source, dog of wisdom, and after, what we need to do is just move this guy here, create widget. I will just make widget as a variable too. Just move him. Alright, after making the widget, we can just compile, save, and select the widget as the test widget because we named it as test. So compile, save. After here, we are just gonna drag this cable and write add to viewport. So the video will play right now. Everything is correct. The video will play, etc. But wait a second. Where's the sound? I mean, there will be no sounds. We can just try it out. Like, to try it, we need to add this guy here in the scene. I can just make it big like this because I want him to get triggered. If you just want this video to get triggered one time, I will teach you that too. So we enter it, and where's the sound? I want to hear the sound. I just want to watch this video, dude. Where's the sound? So it's easy. You now need to just move these guys back and do play sound at location, and the location will be the location of the trigger. So get world location trigger. After doing it, compile and save it, right click, promote to variable the sound, and we will just name it as sound. So yeah, after compile and save, and there you go, the sound is here. Select the sound, compile it, save it, and you're now ready with the sound. And if you just want it to get triggered one time, it's so easy. Click do once, and yeah, that's it. And if you want it to get triggered again after a time, just add a delay at the end and make it like 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, you're gonna be able to do it, and just plug this thing into reset. So every time this ends and the delay ends, it will just reset to once, and you will be able to trigger it again. But I'm not gonna edit. Okay, so everything is currently done. So just start the game, and as you can see, it's playing the whole video with the sound. Alright, so if you wanna start the video whenever the game starts, you can just add this box here. Firstly, after adding this box, you can just get it out of here. You don't need a trigger right now, but I suggest adding a trigger or a static mesh to just get the sound for the location, or you can get the default scene roots location too. So I will just remove this and add an event begin play. So do once event begin play and compile save. So whenever I start the game, the video will play. That's it for this tutorial. See you in the next ones. Thanks for watching. See ya.